Tired of fumbling for cash or cards? Let's unlock the convenience of Apple Pay in Pakistan, step by step. First, open your wallet app. If you don't see it, check your app library or download it from the App Store. Make sure you have a Pakistani rupee symbol on your iPhone. This is an important step so that you can add your local debit, credit card. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the wallet app. This initiates the process of adding a new card to your Apple Pay. Select debit or credit card. You will be presented with other options. However, for now, we want to select debit or credit card. You will be shown a screen where you can choose between scanning your card using the iPhone camera or add it manually by tapping at card details manually. Your iPhone camera will activate, positioning your card within the frame to automatically capture the card number and expiration date. Ensure your card is well lit and clearly visible. If scanning doesn't work, or you prefer manual entry, fill in your card details, including card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, carefully review and accept the terms and conditions presented by your bank or card issuer. This is a crucial step, so read them thoroughly. Now comes the verification process. You may receive an OTP one-time password via SMS or have the option to contact your bank directly. Select the method most convenient for you. Once verified, your card is active, you'll see a confirmation message, and your card will appear in your Apple Wallet. To use Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch to activate Apple Pay, then hold your device near the contactless payment terminal. You'll see a check mark indicating a successful transaction. If you're using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the payment terminal. The process is almost identical to using an iPhone. While not all merchants in Pakistan currently support Apple Pay, its acceptance is growing. Look for the contactless payment symbol or ask the cashier if Apple Pay is accepted.